Hey guys, it's MakerJay here. Just going to quickly go over how to change your YouTube profile picture. So the reason I thought I'd do this is I was just trying to change the picture myself and found that it was actually not that intuitive, especially when you're in the studio. Uh, so first of all, there's two ways to do it. You can do it through the YouTube studio or you can do it through the homepage. So first option is the homepage. So here I am on the homepage. Here's all the videos that are coming up as subscriptions. And then all you need to do is click on your picture in the very top right corner. And then you go your channel. That takes you through to your channel. And then so you've got here channel, you can customize channel, manage your videos, things like that. So then you go to your actual profile picture and a little camera icon will come up. This way it's pretty easy and straightforward. Click on that, you come to this screen, and then you can change or remove your profile picture. Now the other option, which is where I was a little bit confused, was I was actually in my studio doing some video stuff and found that I wanted to change my picture. I couldn't find how to do it. I'd click on my little icon in the top left and it would just take me to my channel. I'd click on the top right and it would just give me a menu of options. I went to account settings, there was nothing there. So if you go to the very bottom left, just above my head, it is customization. So click on customization, you get this channel, this page, you then go to branding, and then you back here, where you can change the profile picture, and then you can align that profile picture, and then make sure you press publish on the top right corner. Now I've done this a couple times, so it's a bit confused between the two pictures I have. So that has changes published written down the bottom. I can go to my channel now, have a look, and now we have that icon instead of this one. So that's all worked. So that's all you need to do. So thanks for watching today, guys. Please check out my other videos and subscribe.